Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Situated in the prestigious West Norbrook Heights, this exceptional residence overlooking Norbrook in St. Andrew, offering sweeping views of the city and the sea. It sits on one-third acre of land with 8,020 square feet of refined living space. The home features 5 spacious bedrooms and 5.5 elegant bathrooms across 3 well-designed levels. The moment you step inside, the open floor plan and captivating views from the living and the dining areas immediately impress. The main level includes a luxurious bedroom suite, while the upper floor hosts 3 additional bedroom suites, each with its own ensuite bathroom. The lower level offers another bedroom suite and a versatile entertainment room that opens onto a charming patio and garden. The expansive terrace is perfect for taking in the panoramic views and hosting gatherings, while the well-appointed kitchen caters to both intimate family dinners and the larger events. The home's classic design includes the potential for adding a pool, and it is equipped with modern conveniences such as an automatic garage, backup water supply, and generator. West Norbrook Heights provides a tranquil setting, making this residence an ideal choice for a family seeking both elegance and privacy. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 140 million or US $909.6 thousand dollars. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.